In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Workspace admin account. Whether you've decided to switch to a different service or just don't need the account anymore, this guide will lead you through the process quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Workspace website. Open your web browser and type in the address bar to reach the homepage of Google Workspace. Once you're there, your next step is to find and click on the admin console. This is your command center for managing Google services at your organization. When prompted, log in using your business email. This is crucial as only authorized emails that are associated with the admin console will allow you to access the settings necessary for account management. After logging in, look towards the top right of your screen. You'll find the Google Apps menu, usually represented by a grid icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu and then locate the admin icon. Give it a click to proceed further into the admin settings. Once in the admin interface, you'll want to go to the account section. You can often find a direct link to this section which will take you exactly where you need to go. From here, you're going to navigate to Account Settings, which helps you oversee the general requirements of your Google Workspace operations. Next, you'll need to access Account Management. This section is where you will find all of the nitty-gritty details regarding how your account functions, so it's an important area to be familiar with, especially if you plan on making account changes like deletion. At the bottom of the account management page, there is an option titled Delete Account. Before jumping ahead, a word of caution: you must first cancel your subscription to completely delete your account. There's typically a link provided to help you manage your subscriptions. Ensure you have all unnecessary subscriptions cancelled to avoid any unwanted charges or interruptions. Taking these steps should guide you smoothly through deleting your Google Workspace admin account. If you follow this guide, you'll find the process straightforward and less overwhelming. Deleting an account is a permanent action, so make sure to verify that this is indeed your intention and that you have saved all the data you might need later. Thanks for watching today's video, and if you found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up or subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Have a great day and see you next time.